Hello everyone. This is a slightly different type of video. It's not my usual Friday vlog or workshop tour or whatever I'm up to. This is a bit more serious, but also just as exciting. I'm going to announce something that means an awful lot to me. I've been working on it for a while now, for a good few months, but now I need your help, basically. So here we go. I really like the process of English wheeling, the skill and the talent and the technique and just the talent you need to have to be able to use the machine. It's such a magical thing, I can't really explain it. About a year ago, just over a year ago, I went down to see Jeff Moss at MPH Motor Panels. He's got one of these and he's got a Ranelagh English wheel. I had the absolute best week down there, the best time with him. And I'm practicing away and learning away, just working away, trying to get the hang of being able to use it. I have since then been looking for a Ranelagh English wheel. Ranelagh is the make of a certain type of English wheel. There are a couple of other companies, Kendrick's is another one. They all made different types of English wheels. And the Ranelagh has been that elusive kind of, I just can't get hold of one. Constantly looking on eBay and online auctions and stuff like that, and you just can't see them. They never come up for sale. I know of now 6, maybe 7 people that have got Ranelagh English wheels in their workshop and they don't know how to use it. They've never used it. It's sitting in the corner, gathering dust. It's just become a coat hook and hang their stuff on it, covered in crap. But it's at the back of the workshop, buried, hidden behind loads of other projects and things in pieces, and they just won't part with them. They won't sell them. I've done everything I can. I've offered people a horrendous amount of money and just begged and pleaded with people, but they just won't sell them. And I kind of don't blame them in a way, because if I had one, there's no way I would sell it. I want one, I can't get one, I can't find anyone that will sell one. What do? I've done a huge amount of research over the last few months. I've been actually more than months. I've been a long time. The Ranelagh company was started by 2 people. They were coach builders. They worked for another company. Being a coach builder really means they would build rebody cars. So they would quite often get Rolls-Royce chassis, like the wheels and the chassis part, and then build a special body on top, designed by them, designed by someone else, but they would all be like a nice custom aluminium body, tailor-made to the rich aristocrat that's buying it, or whoever wanted it, the rich businessman that was buying the car. They'd kind of commission it, and if they wanted to make little tweaks, they could have a little design here, they can modify bits here and there. It was coach built, custom built for them. And then I assume they got to the point where they needed the English wheels, they needed them, so they made their own, and that's where the Ranelagh English wheel first came from. They ended up getting the contract from the government to make a lot of the airplane panels for Spitfires and other planes during the war. They had a huge involvement in the war effort. It kind of saddened me, and I thought, this company started by these 2 guys in the 30s. They made these English wheels available to a huge amount of people. They were sold all over the world. If only they knew now how much of an impact they made on the world. But then the research and the history of the company just drops off. The company got sold, a family bought the company, and then it got sold on again, and it kind of got absorbed into a larger company, and then it all kind of went, sort of just fizzled off and went off. And it turns out now, here we go, I've not been able to say anything until I got this piece of paper, but I am now the very proud owner of Ranelagh Limited. So I have bought the company. I own Ranelagh Limited, which has come with the trademark to use the name, the company, and it's incredible. It feels so weird saying it. I own Ranelagh, and I'm bringing it back. Ranelagh Limited is going to come back, and I'm going to be producing the English wheels again. I'm going to go through the whole process of making these English wheels exactly as the originals. I'm going to do every little detail that I can, as close as I can to the originals. We'll all be proudly wearing the Ranelagh name on the top. God, it feels weird. That's it. You all know now. It's brilliant. It's so exciting. This is not a money-making scheme. I realise this is not going to make me millions and make me fortunes. I'm not interested in doing any of that. It's actually cost me thousands of pounds already just to get to this point. It's cost a lot of money. Somebody needed to save this company, and the name, you may never have even heard of Ranelagh. This English wheel, Edwards is a lot more known. They made tons of machinery. They made all sorts of stuff, thousands of different machines, and they're a bit more well known, but Ranelagh, two guys, very small little company, much like myself here, little independent guys just doing their thing. They made such a big impact. I couldn't just let all that history just fizzle out and just be lost. I'm going to remake them and I'm going to make them available to as many people as I possibly can, and just hope that this encourages sort of the younger generation, the new generation, to get into it and make people realise this is a job. You could do this. I want to get them in metalworking colleges and universities and training places and apprenticeship schemes. I just want to get the name back out there and celebrate the amazing history of this old brand. Already, the journey that I've gone on to get to this point has been absolutely thrilling. This is where I need your help. I need to get hold of an original Ranelagh English wheel. So they are cast iron, that's what they're made of. So I need to get hold of an original Ranelagh in the workshop and make an exact wooden replica, the same, take that to the foundry, and then they press that in a bed of sand. It's a bit more complicated than this, but the basics of it. They press that wooden plug into the sand, then you take it back out again, and that leaves the imprint, and then they pour in the molten iron, cool it down, and then out pops an English wheel. There's a lot more other steps involved with machining and finishing and bushings, and there's obviously the wheels and all of these other parts to deal with. So there's a lot of engineering involved, but I can't wait. I absolutely can't wait. So I've got a pattern maker lined up. They're going to do a 3D scan and some photo, what do they call it? They called it, is it photo telemetry? It's very clever, very modern techniques. I've got a foundry lined up that's not far from the workshop. That I think it's one of the only foundries in the south of England, or almost in England, that have the capacity to cast such a big part. It weighs, I think, about 750 kilos. So they're big. They're like sort of 6 foot by 4 foot. They're massive machines. I've got an engineer that's potentially lined up to help me with all of the machine parts and stuff like that. So all of the pieces are slotting together. It's all kind of coming into place, but I just need an English wheel. I need to get hold of an original Ranelagh English wheel, even if I just borrow it, to then make the replica. So that is where I need your help. If you know of anyone, if you ever see one in the back of someone's workshop, please, please, please let me know. Just send me a message, send me a put in the comments below, send me an email, something like that. If one comes up, if someone can bear to part with one, anyone out there that knows they've got one that they don't use, can't quite bear to sell, please, it's for a good cause. I think I'm going to document the entire process on my YouTube channel and my Instagram. So every step of the way, you'll be coming with me and you can see the whole journey from start to finish. It's going to be so exciting. I just can't wait. I absolutely can't wait to get started. And I've spoken to so many aviation museums, military museums, heavy machinery museums, even in America. And a few coach builders locally here have been really helpful in passing bits of information on and bits of like old catalogues and stuff that they've got. And I'm kind of in the process of trying to find any old employees, like what happened. I'm just trying to find anyone that worked in that factory, people that know people that worked in that factory, what happened to all the stuff, where's the original mould. Somebody said actually they saw the original Ranelagh plug, the wooden plug that the Ranelagh would have used to cast it at Bewley Auto Jumble for sale on one of the stalls. I've got no chance now. If anyone went to Bewley within the last 5-10 years and saw that, please let me know. If there's any way you can help, if you've got any information involving Ranelagh Sheet Metal Works, please, 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 just get in touch any way you can. Leave a comment, leave a message below. I will happily accept just any help you can. I've got a few small pieces of archive here. Stuff like this I've got. This is an old advert from the Aeroplane magazine, July the 3rd, 1942. And that's an original. So if anyone out there's got old copies of the Aeroplane magazine, if you've got any Ranelagh adverts in there, please let me know. The Autocar magazine, 1938. This is what they used to do, see? This is what the two guys, they used to make these special cars. Awesome, I love it. If you can help at all, if you've got old magazines and you ever come across a Ranelagh advert, or you used to work there, you used to know someone that worked there, or anything at all, if you ever see this, it's an obscure name, if you know anything of it, please get in touch. But most importantly, if you've got a Ranelagh English wheel, I'm begging you, let me have it. Please sell it to me. The cat is officially out the bag. You all know what I'm up to. It's no longer a secret and I can smile about it and talk about it now out loud. I really hope you're going to enjoy it coming along this journey with me. I can't wait to bring this old company back to life. We're going to just be celebrating the history, the amazing history of this old company, and we're going to be remaking Ranelagh English wheels.